Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss Spark streaming and tuning Spark using Java program. Okay, for that guys, just click on here and click on Maven project. Just add simple Maven project, click on next, group ID, artifact ID. You can add com.spark. You can add artifact ID as Spark streaming. Click on finish. Okay, now you should be able to see streaming has been added. Okay, open the pom.xml guys, just add https here. So let me add this properties, click on enter here, paste it here. Now let me go to test.java, right click, add a package, new package, com.spark streaming, click on finished. Let me right click here and let me click on new class. I'll give the class name as cache example. Click on finish. Okay, so this is the content which we are adding. We are creating a Spark session. We are creating a Spark content and the list as numbers. We just run it. Sum equal to 55. It gives sum as 55. Okay, let's add another example called partition example. Let me add it here. Let me paste it here. So partition example, here also we are giving the partition and I want 4 partitions here. We are starting the session, which is a partition example, adding a context and also adding a list, and I want to have the partitions example. Okay, let me run this also, click on run. So I have something called 4 partitions and these are the number of elements which we have, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so cache example, partition example, how to start a Spark session, run a Java context and also end the Spark session. So let us also see one more program of Gloom. So let me add a class here, Gloom example, click on finish. Here again starting the Spark session and also doing the parallelize here as a list, array numbers, and I want to see partitions and I want to see numbers or Gloom contents of each partition. Okay, like let's say 4 partitions are there, so it will be divided into 4 categories. I want to Gloom it so that I can see each and everything. Okay, let me run this. Okay, see here, so there are 4 partitions. Contents of each partition are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, this is the content of each partition which we have here. So let us see one more program called cluster manager demo. Okay, let me go and create another class, just cluster manager demo, click on finish. Okay, so here we are doing the same for each and every program. Starting a Spark session, adding a Spark content with Java Spark based on this dependency which we have imported. We are parallelizing numbers, added a partition. When Gloom, if you want to Gloom it, you will see actual partitions are there. Similarly with this example of partition, in cache we want to see how the sum is added based on this condition which we added, numbers dot reduce. This is the functionality which we used. Okay, in the cluster manager demo we will see. So here we are importing util.arrays, same Java RDD, Java Spark content Spark session, same starting a session, creating a content, parallelize of a number, Spark master, we want to see what is the integer of the sum, simple as that. Okay, let us see. It says Spark master has been started, hc.master local, which is started here. So the sum is sum 150, which is the sum of this all numbers. Okay, I'll add all these programs also and I'll give you the GitHub link. Hope you have liked the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.